Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will show you and teach you how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC, guys. This is very simple. So guys, we can begin our video tutorial. First of all, I will tell you that there are a few methods to download San Andreas on your PC, but the best method is to get San Andreas on Steam, guys. So first of all, let's open our Steam account. And once you will open your Steam, go to search bar and type GTA in the search box and click the search icon. In this list, you need to find this one, which is called Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Definitive Edition, and you need to open this. So this is the San Andreas, guys. Before you will open it, you need to enter your birth date. So let's view this page. Okay, this is San Andreas, the Definitive Edition, and also except San Andreas, it includes Vice City, guys, which is great game also. You need to purchase San Andreas here on Steam. Just click Add to Cart button right here. Here you can see there are two options, purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. So we need to choose the first one. Okay, when you scroll this down, you will see several payment methods. At the moment, I have got, for example, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and also other payment methods. So the most popular is PayPal. You need to choose the payment method, then you need to click the continue button and click this PayPal icon, for example. Then you need to enter your PayPal email. You need to finish your payment procedure, and once you will do it, guys, then you can go to library, and on the left side you will see GTA Definitive Edition San Andreas, guys, and once you will click it, you need to click the install button, guys, and you can install the game on your PC. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. See you in the next video.